morning! Welcome back to my channel. So, welcome back to me and my big forehead. So, ayan, I just woke up. Char! Just woke up ang nalalaman na. Kakagising ko lang and we are somewhere, I don't know where we are to be honest because we left Shreveport 6 o'clock in the morning and it's currently 8:34 because I went back to sleep after washing and brushing, washing my face. So went back to the truck and went back to sleep. So I don't know where we are right now, but I guess we're still somewhere in Louisiana or Texas. But yeah, so welcome. Don't know what's going on, guys, but husband is checking something. So we have a long way to go. Guys, so my husband bought something for breakfast. Oh, look at our iPads. Yes.
Ya, okay na. Makasabaw na pagkapa. Daon, kaya wala.
And
Ya, huwag nga kay kabang.
this pork chop, egg.
Paano ba magkaon sa kanila gusto mo?
Want some?
Pork chops. Well, actually, I want to eat. Does that have pork?
Yeah. You go first. Guys, so nandito na kami sa Fort Worth, Texas. So nag-stop kami for a while kasi restroom break. But anyway, yeah. Ang linis ng ano nila dito, yung anong tawag dito? Rest area nila, ang linis ng bathroom. And ayun, ang ganda. Tapos sobrang bango. Which is really nice. And then meron pa sa waiting area dito. Ayan. So, ang ganda. Labas tayo. That is super cute. Just click this.
About the mail. What about mail yesterday?
Sobrang cute. Yeah. Okay, cool.
They're definitely going to be out there looking for you.
Dito pala kami sa Abilene, hindi pala Fort Worth. This is Abilene. Little history. Cute. Yeah. Myth. Dinosaur, may mga stories sila. This is super nice. Yung view, that's the view. So nice. Look at my husband. See? Look at that guy.
Little small car. Okay.
love it. What's that? This is, wow.
That's right. Go to waving at them, tell them you're stranded. That little
It's Texas.
deputy that'll be waiting for you when you get out there.
Let's go. So nice. What is this?
It's a lizard.
That's,
Coyote,
oh, okay.
mockingbird.
This is so cute. This is the
Bobcat.
cutest of all. And this,
Yeah,
what
those
is this?
Turkeys.
Okay.
It's turkey. Wild turkey. That's the male, the gobbler.
Let's check. I'm gonna check the view.
Oh,
Yeah.
they succulent.
Watch for snakes. This is the view, guys. Super nice. I know. I saw the sun. Just want to see the view up here. This is the view up here. This is the rest stop in Abilene, Texas. Sobrang lamig, guys. Naninigas yung aking kamay. That's the rest area. I'm just wearing my thermal shirt. It's there. Just walking. Ooh. It's like swelling my finger.
That's going on Facebook. Hey, you showing on what it called, World Star? Yeah.
Finally.
You going on?
Okay, guys, I forgot my sweater and it's super cold outside. The Avalanche rest area is super nice. Nilalagay sila ng mga historical pictures sa loob, which is good. Siguro newly built lang nila. Ayan. That's how it looks like. And ayan, so binubuksan niya na naman yung ano. Ay, parang nabibingi ako, guys. Nandito kasi kami sa bundok. So parang yung tainga ko nabibingi. Look at my husband. I feel like I'm losing my hearing because we're here in top of the mountain and it's super cold. It's like when you walk, like the wind is like blowing on your face and it's just making you know, you can really feel how cold it is. We're here in Texas and my fingers were just like, I feel like it's turning into ice cold. I think that's it for our vlog today. We are finally parked. We are gonna do our 10 hours reset break early. Oh my god, there's a dog on the truck right next to us. And he's big. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's not a puppy, a dog. Yeah, he's scared. We are in Lubbock, Texas right now. This is where we are going to do our 10 hours reset break, and then after 10 hours back to driving again. So yeah, so I'm feeling really tired right now, feeling tired and sick, and I don't know why. That's what I'm feeling. So I'm gonna end my video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you're gonna keep watching my video, my nonsense video. So yeah, that's for today. Bye bye, everyone.